Hi all, welcome to PS Edutech. Do you want to make a lecture note? In our conventional way, we want to type it. It will take more time and effort. Here is an easy way. With the help of a computer and a smartphone, we can make a lecture note very easily. It will be useful for teachers and students. Let's see how we can make a lecture note.
For this purpose, we can use Kaga Scanner. It's an Indian application for scanning. I was using Cam Scanner. Now it is prohibited in India. First of all, scan the textbook. Then we can crop it. Now one page is created. Now we can add one more page. We can add any number of pages to this PDF document. Now the PDF document is created. Now we can share it. Now I am sharing to my Google Drive. Now it is uploaded into my Google Drive. Okay. Then take the Google Drive in laptop. In my drive folder, that file is there. Okay, click it. Here we can see that document as a PDF file. We cannot edit. Now open with Google Docs. There is an option in Google Drive. Then click it. Now it has been opened in Word format. That means it has been converted into Word. Now we can edit according to our need. Now I want to add a picture. That is one method from website. Copy image. Then paste here. Okay. Another method is to add the picture from mobile phone. For this, we can use any of the scanner available in your mobile phone. Here I am using Office Lens for scanning. Now the picture is saved in gallery. Let's see how we can add a picture into the same document in mobile phone. Okay, here's the document we created in our laptop. Here's the picture. Okay, now we can add a picture from mobile phone itself. I'm trying to add. Press the plus button, then images from photos, then take the picture we need, insert it. Now it has been inserted into our document. You can see in laptop also the same document. By using Google Drive, it is an advantage. You can use mobile phone and laptop simultaneously for editing the same document.
Another interesting method is to convert a handwritten document into a Word file. Let's see. So we can open with the Google Doc. It's very interesting. If it is a good handwritten document, we'll get a good Word document to edit. Okay. Is it possible in regional languages? Let's try in Malayalam. മലയാളത്തിൽ നമുക്കൊന്ന് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. നേരത്തെ ഒരു മാഗസിനിൽ നിന്ന് സ്കാൻ ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു PDF ഡോക്യുമെൻ്റ് ഞാനൊന്ന് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുകയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഗൂഗിൾ ഡോക്ക് ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ട് നമുക്കൊന്ന് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇറ്റ്സ് ഡൺ. ഇങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് ഏത് ഭാഷയിലുള്ള PDF ഡോക്യുമെൻറ്റും ഗൂഗിൾ ഡ്രൈവിൽ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾക്ക് ആവശ്യമുള്ള രൂപത്തിൽ വേർഡ് ഫോമിലേക്ക് മാറ്റിയെടുത്തുകൊണ്ട് എഡിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനും അതുപോലെ ഇമേജസ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാനും സാധിക്കും. I hope this information will be useful for all teachers and students for making a printed note in an easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and press the notification button for getting all new videos from this channel. Thank you.